Welcome back, guys. So in this video we'll be discussing indices and the rules or laws of indices. This is actually introductory video because I will actually go through some working notes. So indices or index is a number or other symbol that specifies an element of an index family or set. So, in a nutshell, index or indices is an element of an index set, etc. So, I have on the screen where we have the rule and the example. So, it actually shows that if you have two common factor, which is the A's, and you're seeing that they are being multiplied in the indices or the index form, it can be shown as that can actually be translated as being added to each other. And when it's actually dividing, it's being subtracting or taking away or minus. When it's actually in the parentheses form, or um, in other terms, some cases we will call it bracket, but that's actually parentheses. Bracket is actually something that is different, but we can actually say that's actually layman's term when people stated that it's a bracket. So once you've seen that it's actually in parentheses forms, it actually means that it's being multiplied. And the indices to the zero power is actually equal to 1. Now, when we have the indices to the negative, it is actually equates back to the indices or index being superscript over 1. And you can actually see example over to the right. And for the last rule, we actually see where once we have the indices and we have it is x over y, we will actually have the square root and the bottom factor be going where over to the left of the square root, and the top factor will be superscript with the index or indices, and it can actually equate back to this format. And this is an example. So this is actually in an introductory video. I will actually be doing some working out in the next video. So I just want to lay a bit of foundation now so that we can get a bit of understanding. So I will actually have to do a follow-up video next on a couple examples and a couple working outs.